Good morning. I need to check in now. My flight is soon.
Good morning, sir. Please show me your passport. I need your ID.
Here is my blue passport. My name is Alex Stone.
Thank you, Alex. What is your destination? Where do you fly?
I fly to Paris today. It is a long trip.
Paris is very nice. Put your large bag on the scale.
My bag is here. Is it too heavy for the plane?
No, your bag is fine. It is 20 kilograms only.
Good. I do not pay extra money. My budget is small.
Do you have fragile items? Tell me if you do.
Yes, I have one small glass vase. Please be very careful.
I put a special sticker on the bag. The sticker says fragile.
Thank you for the sticker. I want the vase to be safe.
Show me your small carry-on bag now. Is it a small size?
My small bag is right here. It fits easily.
The small bag is okay. It goes in the cabin with you.
Good. My laptop is inside this small bag.
Here is your boarding pass. Please keep this paper safe.
My pass is here. It has my seat number.
Your gate number is A24. This gate is far away.
A24 is far. I need to walk very fast.
You have 2 hours now. The time is good.
2 hours is long. I will buy coffee first.
The flight leaves at 10 a.m. Be at the gate 1 hour early.
I will be at the gate by 9 a.m. I must not be late.
Security check is your next step. Go there now.
Thank you, Lisa. You helped me well.
Safe flight. Enjoy Paris very much.
I will visit the big museum there. Hello, I am at gate A24. Is the flight on time?
Yes, the flight is on time today. We start boarding soon.
My watch shows 9:15 now. When does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 9:30. Please wait 10 more minutes.
I wait here on this chair. I am feeling a little tired.
Show me your pass again. I check your seat number.
Pass is here. Seat 15A is near the window.
15A is a great seat. You will see many white clouds.
I love to see the clouds. I will take many photos.
The plane is a big Airbus. It is a very comfortable plane.
A big plane is good. I feel safe on big planes.
We call the first group now. You are in the second group.
I will listen carefully for my group. I do not want to miss it.
Keep your passport ready. Show it again to me.
Passport in hand. It is easy to show it.
The flight is very full. Many people are here now.
A full flight is normal. Paris is a popular city.
The weather is good today. The flight will be smooth.
Good weather is important. I like smooth travel.
We call the first group now. Walk a little closer.
I hear the call. I will wait for my group.
Please wait for the second call. Do not rush.
I wait patiently here. My bags are ready.
Your row 15 is in the middle. Find your seat easily.
The middle section is good. I like my seat.
Boarding is very fast. We are moving quickly.
Fast is good. I want to sit down soon.
Second group is called You Can Board Now.
Thank you. I walk to the door. Excuse me, Lisa. My suitcase is a big problem. I think it is too heavy.
Hello, Alex. I need to see the big bag. Put it on the scale.
My bag is here on the scale. It feels very heavy.
I see the issue. This bag is too large. It cannot fit above the seat.
Oh no, I need my bag. It has important clothes inside.
The bag must go under the plane. The storage is very safe there.
Is the storage safe? I worry about my important clothes.
Yes, it is safe. We handle all passenger items with care.
My bag is very heavy. Will I pay extra money?
Let me check the scale reading. Yes, 35 kilos. Too heavy.
35 kilos? Is this too much weight limit?
The weight limit is 23 kilos. You pay $50 extra fee.
$50 is a lot. I do not want to pay much money.
You must pay the fee for the overweight bag. It is the rule.
I understand the rule. I will pay the $50.
Pay the fee here, Alex. Use your credit card.
Card paid. The $50 is done.
Thank you. I print a special red tag for your bag.
The bag goes to Paris with me. It must arrive soon.
Yes, the bag travels with you. It will wait in Paris.
I feel much better. Thank you for your fast help.
You are welcome. Please go to security.
I must hurry to security. I cannot be late. We are at security. The line is very long.
The line is long, but it moves fast. Please wait here.
I must take off my shoes. My belt goes into the bin.
Yes, remove your shoes. Take off all metal items.
My belt, watch, keys go into the gray bin. All the metal.
Take your laptop out clearly. Put the laptop in a tray.
My laptop is here. It needs its own tray.
Laptop alone in one tray. Wires go in another tray.
Charger and headphones are wires. They go with my jacket.
Place all the trays on the belt. They go through the machine.
Items on belt. I hope everything is right.
Walk through the metal detector. Keep your arms up.
Walking through, beep. The machine made a noise.
Step back, Alex. Did you forget coins? Check your pocket.
Oh, coins! Small coins in my pocket. I forgot them.
Put the coins in the tray. They made the loud noise.
Coins in the tray, walk through again.
You are clear. No more noise.
Take my things. I put my shoes back on.
Check all your items carefully. Do not forget anything.
Laptop, belt, phone, all are here.
You can go to the gates. Security is finished.
I am very hungry. The security took a long time.
The restaurant is near here. You can buy food.
I will buy a quick sandwich. I need fast food.
We sell fresh sandwiches here. Hot coffee, too.
I need big hot coffee. I woke up very early.
You have 30 minutes. You can sit and eat.
I sit at a quiet table. I watch the big planes.
Watching the planes is very interesting. They fly high.
I will buy a water bottle. I need to drink much water.
Buy water here. Water on the plane costs more.
The restaurant is crowded. Many travelers are here.
Travelers eat before long flights. It is normal.
I hope the food is not too expensive. I must save.
Airport food costs more money. It is expensive.
I buy one simple sandwich. I save my travel budget.
Remember gate A24. Go back quickly after eating.
I set a loud timer. The timer tells me when to leave.
A timer is smart. Do not miss your flight time.
I buy candy too. Small candy for the plane.
Candy helps your ears. Good for air pressure.
That is true. Candy in my coat pocket.
Enjoy your sandwich. Have a good coffee. Final call to Paris. Gate is closing. Hurry, Alex.
Oh no, I am late. I ran very fast to the gate.
Run faster, Alex. The gate closes soon.
Running now. My legs are very tired.
You are the last passenger. Everyone is on the plane.
I am sorry I am late. The food line was long.
I need your pass and passport. Show them to me.
Here are my documents. Everything is ready.
I scan your pass. The code is good. Go quickly.
Walk down the bridge. I see the plane light.
The flight attendants wait for you. They are at the door.
I thank them. I am happy they waited.
Sit in your window seat, 15A. Put your bag down.
Bag under the seat. I found my row.
The plane doors close. The flight is ready.
Thank you for waiting, Lisa. You saved my trip.
You are welcome. Have a safe flight.
I will enjoy the city soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Alex. Enjoy your vacation.